Artificial intelligence is everywhere: chatbots, self-driving cars, content creation, and even healthcare. But with all the hype comes misinformation. In this video, we're busting the biggest AI myths and separating fact from fiction so you can understand what AI really is and what it isn't. Myth number 1. AI is smarter than humans. AI doesn't think or understand like humans. It processes data, recognizes patterns, and predicts outcomes based on training. Human creativity, emotions, and critical thinking are still unmatched. Myth number 2. AI will replace all jobs. AI is changing jobs, not eliminating humanity from the workforce. While automation handles repetitive tasks, AI also creates new roles in tech, data analysis, AI ethics, and digital creativity. The future is human plus AI collaboration. Myth number 3. AI has feelings or consciousness. Our AI doesn't have emotions, self-awareness, or intentions. It can simulate conversation or empathy, but it doesn't feel anything. AI responses are based on algorithms, not emotions. Myth number 4. AI is always accurate. AI can make mistakes, hallucinate information, or reflect biased data. That's why human oversight is critical. AI should assist decision-making, not blindly replace it. Myth number 5. AI is inherently dangerous. AI itself isn't dangerous. How we use it matters. With proper regulations, transparency, and ethical use, AI can improve productivity, education, healthcare, and innovation. The reality of artificial intelligence. AI is a powerful tool designed to support humans, not replace them. Understanding AI myths helps us use technology responsibly and confidently in everyday life. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, start by learning the truth, not the hype. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple explanations about AI, technology, and the future.